St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Mairang, today concluded its Golden Jubilee celebration. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Conrad K. Sangma said, education is a core of the society and more importantly, the state is striving for the best in education sector in the country. This dream and vision can only come true if we are able to provide quality education to our children. He further added that there are many challenges that we face in the education sector. Hence, it will take time to rectify and to create the right environment, not just in our cities and towns, but in every district, subdivision block and all the corner and the rural area of the state.
And hence this day, while we celebrate the 50 years and the Golden Jubilee of this school, we must look back in the last 50 years and see how blessed we have been to be able to get an institute like this. I'm sure you have faced a large number of challenges. Great organizations, great institutes, great people are just not made just simply the easy way. Great institutes, great organizations and great people are made because they face tough situations.
PHE Minister Renington Ling